Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help with the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Just a quick reminder for all my viewers, guys, and that is if you guys have not joined my Telegram group chat, guys, what are you waiting for? It's free to join. Link in the description box below. We talk about cryptocurrencies, the latest news and trends revolving around the space, and just have a great time at the end of the day. So come join the group and let's build this community together. Now let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer, anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, we're currently sitting at $1.5 trillion. We're down 11% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 39.6%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, we are seeing a lot of red across the board, especially in the last 24 hours. And, this is not coming as a surprise to me at all. If you guys are a regular viewer on my channel, you guys know what I have been saying over the last few weeks. I have been saying, let's not get excited, guys, because Bitcoin is unable to reach specific price targets for me to be bullish that the bottom is in. And yesterday I did mention that we do have a possibility for us to have a major move for Bitcoin in the next 24 hours to 48 hours, and we did break below, sadly, because of one specific reason, which I will share as well with you guys right now. And so let's get right into that right now. But before I begin, I want to say I will be looking more deeper into Cardano today. So if we're looking at Cardano's price right now, guys, Cardano is currently trading at $1.50. It's down 12.2% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. It's also down 2.1% in BTC comparative in just the last 24 hours. Cardano's current rank on CoinMarketCap and on CoinGecko is at the top 5th spot. Market cap right now is $48 billion. Meanwhile, 24-hour trading volume is at $5.18 billion. Zooming out and looking at the bigger picture for Cardano, guys, please do not forget, in just the last year alone, Cardano is still up 1,630%, despite the fact that we are seeing some major downwards, momentum occurring for the cryptocurrency markets. Cardano is holding quite strong compared to some other altcoins, which is a bullish indicator on its own. So please, let's not forget that when we are looking at Cardano's prices. But now let's deep dive into the charts. But before I begin, I want to share one tweet with you guys that really did cause the Bitcoin price to fall below $33,000, and that is this. So we're going to call this person John, just for explanation. So breaking: John tells a Fox Business a Bitcoin is a scam. I don't like it. It seems like another currency competing against the dollar. So this when this came out, this really did take the price of Bitcoin down, and obviously it created a massive panic across the board because John is a very big figure in the cryptocurrency space in the world. So his words regarding Bitcoin can be can create a lot of hype or panic, depending on what kind of statement is being made. So this took the markets towards a downwards trend, and it did not come as a surprise to me. But this kind of statement does not surprise me at all as well. I have been in the markets for a few years, guys. Majority of the bigger big people around the world, they see what Bitcoin threat that how Bitcoin brings threat to the current monetary system around the world, and they can do whatever they want to try to make Bitcoin not succeed. And we've been hearing these kind of statements being made over the years several times. And obviously, if you're coming new into the markets, this could be very panic time if we do hear some sort of big statement come out like this. But we will see what happens in the immediate short term. So I just wanted to point that out there for you guys as to why we did see initial price dip for Bitcoin, especially towards the downwards trend, and this was the reason, and I'm sharing that with you guys right now. But now let's deep dive into the ADAS charts and see what's exactly going on. So as you guys can see, guys, Cardano's a level of support at this $1.49.3, guys. If you guys are a follower on my channel for a long time, you guys know I have always been saying how crucial this level of support for Cardano really is. because this used to be the biggest level of resistance for Cardano before we did break towards the upside, and now this is going to be playing as a level of support for us, and so far it has been playing as a level of support. So one thing I want to point out for some of you guys is that these are not just some random lines that I do make around here. These are strong levels of support for Cardano, and they do play out. So just to some of the people, I'm not saying to my day one followers, I do see some people randomly come out that I've never seen before, and they leave some negative comments down below, and I just wanted to point this out there. So as you guys can see, these levels of support do play out. We are sitting right below this level of support right now. Since the Bitcoin dip, we were trading around 1.72 cents, but since then, guys, we are down 15%. And it's holding quite well compared to other altcoins that I have mentioned, and this is a bullish indicator on its own. And when we do see markets recover towards the upside, especially Bitcoin, we do see Cardano, recovering way faster compared to some other altcoins, and that does make me really bullish. And as you guys know, one major factor as to why I believe Cardano holds very strongly compared to other altcoins is because how high the staking, staking, I'm sorry, how high the staked value is for Cardano. As you guys can see, despite the fact that we are seeing this huge pullback in the markets, 73.83% of the circulation supply of Cardano is still being staked right now, even though when we are seeing some major price correction happening in the cryptocurrency markets, and that is a bullish indicator on its own. And because you guys know that at the end of the day, guys, Cardano is here to stay. Cardano is here to stay, despite the fact that Bitcoin is seeing some major downward trend. At the end of the day, we all know Bitcoin is the leading indicator of the entire markets, and when it goes down towards the downside, it doesn't matter how strong of the project it really is, we will see any altcoin react to Bitcoin falling towards the downside, and Cardano is no exception at all. But long term, from a long term perspective, guys, Cardano is here to stay, definitely. Obviously, there are thousands of coins on coin market cap now. The cryptocurrency markets, there's like 8,000, 9,000 coins now, and I can guarantee you 95% of those coins are not here to stay after this bull cycle. I'm sorry to break it to you guys, none of these coins will stay here. Only the ones with real use case, the ones that can actually solve real world problems and bring some sort of advantage to the crypto space will be here to stay. And Cardano is one of them, VeChain is one of them, Solana is one of them, Polkadot is one of them. But these, if we go deep down, some of these altcoins, the random altcoins, meme coins, I do not seeing them stay here. So I just wanted to point that out there. This is why we are seeing Cardano's stake value so high, because people do believe in the future for ADA. They're in for the long haul. They're just staking their Cardano. They don't care about what happens to the price in the immediate short term, because they do see where Cardano is headed in the future. And this only makes me more bullish as as days go by. So if we're looking at Cardano's price, guys, so far we are holding very strongly. I would like us to go above this level of support, guys, and close above it. But right now, we do need to look at Bitcoin's price before we can make some sort of conclusion as to what can happen with Cardano in the immediate short term. So you guys know what happened with Bitcoin, guys. I shared the tweet with you guys. And since that tweet, we did break below this level, and as you guys may know, I have been saying that this level of support at this 33,000 is basically the last life support, if you want to call it, for Bitcoin. And right now we are sitting below it. If we are unable to get above this level of support, guys, and do not close above it today, there's a strong chance of us to fall below $30,000 that I have been saying. Obviously, no one wants to hear this, but guys, we do have to look at the realistic scenarios right now. So if that were to occur, let me bring out the measuring tool right for you guys. If that were to occur, that would be roughly 21.37 drop, because I do believe if we do break below $30,000, there's a very strong likelihood that we do break down to $25,000, which would be a 21.37% retracement. And if that happened, guys, we could see some major bloodbath across the board for altcoin market. Maybe even 50% drop for altcoins, 40 to 50%, which obviously no one wants to hear. But guys, let's face reality. You know me, all my regular viewers know me. I am not an ultra moon boy. I do not say, guys, this is what's gonna happen. We're going straight to the moon, new all-time highs tomorrow. No, we always look at all the scenarios, guys. And right now, the bearish scenario is outweighing the bullish scenario. But we need to break above this level of support and close above $36,400 level at all costs, guys. We cannot break below this. But first sign of relief would be if Bitcoin were to close above this level, $33,249 level. If we break above it and close around here, there is going to be some sort of relief. But if not, guys, do expect Bitcoin price to go even further down, which, like I said, could create a lot of panic across the board. So right now, there is still a lot of fear around the boards. Markets are still have not bottomed for sure. We do have more downside potential, so please be prepared. I will keep you guys updated if anything were to happen that needs an urgent update, so stay tuned for that, guys. So if that were to happen, guys, if we were to break towards the downside, which obviously no one wants to hear, we could possibly see Cardano go back down to this level. And this we do have a strong level of support around this $1.05 mark. And now you may be asking, Crypto ZX, is this a definite possibility of occurring? The possibility is definitely out there still. It's not out of the books, so please keep that in mind. A bullish scenario would be that we do go towards the upside, close above $36,600 mark, and I wouldn't be surprised if we zoom back into this 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level very, very fast. You guys know how fast markets tend to move when Bitcoin does go towards the upside, so that would not come as a surprise to me at all. But that is it for today's Cardano's update, guys. You guys know my stance on Cardano long term. I do believe Cardano is here to stay. It's, you guys know what Cardano is doing, and the Africa expansion, smart contracts launching, Alonzo hard fork. Just there's so many things that we can talk about with Cardano, and my regular viewers already know I've been covering Cardano for such a long time. And there's so much things happening for Cardano, and really do see it being the biggest blockchain in the world and overtaking Ethereum in the next 3 to 5 years, considering what they're doing. And if they continue doing this, which I do believe they will continue delivering and keep doing at the rate they're going right now. But yeah, you guys always have to invest what you can afford to lose. This is why I always tell you in each and every one of my videos, guys, always invest what you can afford to lose, and always do your own due diligence. If you have done that, guys, patience will be your #1 key to follow. You do not want to be shaken out during these weekends, guys, weak times, because whales #1 strategy is to shake out the weak hands, so they can create a lot of panic across the board, so they can be buying back up cheaper. So you do not want to be falling for these tactics from the whales when they try to do this. Now I'm pretty sure everyone is starting to realize that these markets do not go up straight forever in one single line. There's always going to be manipulation occur. We never know when this occurs, guys. So when you do see profit, and let's say the profit is too much that you cannot afford to lose, guys, take some profits. And either buy back these kind of dips, or use that money for your personal use. But that is it for today's video, guys. Let me know in the comment section below where you could see Cardano go at the end of this month. I would love to know your thoughts down below. And stay safe out there, guys. Safety comes first, health comes first, family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. Come join the Telegram group chat. We talk about cryptocurrencies. Maybe during this time you might want to talk to someone, because talking to someone does make it feel better. There might be some other people around the world that are going through the same thing, and so come join the Telegram group chat, guys. You guys may learn something new, how to stay away from scams and stuff. So it is smart to join the group. It's free to join, so why not? Come say hello and let's build this community together. And Thank you for all the support that you guys show me, each and every one of my viewers. You guys show me so much support, especially my regular viewers, the day one fans. I love each and every one of you guys. I know who you guys are, and you guys, your guys' support does not go unnoticed. So thanks once again. I do these videos specifically for you guys. So once again, thank you, and I love you guys. And with that being said, guys, please like and subscribe, because this does help my video get to a wider audience. So your support would be greatly appreciated. And with that being said, guys, I think I'm going to wrap up today's video around here. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.